mentioned this briefly in the beginning. I don't have too much time to go too deeply into this, but again, this is a service that we're providing. Again, primarily for research customers. As I mentioned, you can fly this data yourself, or we can fly it for you. The data comes back to us, and then we run those analytics. Very similar to what I just showed you, but using a layout of your field and your plots typically sent to us as a shapefile. We can now take those results and allocate them to individual plots and track them over time. So this is an example here of a single plot of corn that we've tracked from emergence up to tasseling. You can see the types of data products we're producing here. So just after emergence, you can see the population count there. Up through V4, we can do plant size measurements, and then beyond that, we start looking at vegetation fraction, which is kind of a proxy for biomass, various other indices there. And again, track individual test plots across the field. And again, as I mentioned, this is really along this concept of moving beyond into new data products. Our customers for this are typically interested in the imagery, and they may take a look at it. But again, the deliverable is typically a spreadsheet. So we're really going from a drone capturing high resolution on your field all the way to numeric data in a spreadsheet. There's obviously a lot of steps in between. But we're really, again, trying to focus on providing the real value that you can get from these systems, and in this case, again, supporting kind of research and breeding programs. If you're interested in that, we can certainly talk to you. Typical workflow is to answer a few questions about the number of sites and plots and flights that you're interested in, and we can quickly generate a proposal for you.